Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to share some creative bathtub tray ideas that will take your relaxation time in the tub to the next level. Whether you enjoy reading a book, indulging in a spa like experience, or simply unwinding with your favorite beverage, we have some amazing ideas for you. So let's get started. Our first idea is the classic wooden bathtub tray, crafted from durable and water resistant wood like bamboo or teak. These trays provide a natural and rustic touch to your bath. They feature slots for holding your book or tablet, compartments for bath essentials, and even a spot for your favorite candle. Next up, we have the spa inspired bathtub tray designed to create a luxurious and pampering experience. These trays often come with built in compartments for storing bath oils, scrubs, and even a wine glass holder. Transform your bathtub into a private spa retreat. If you are a tech enthusiast, our third idea, the high tech bathtub tray, will definitely catch your attention. These trays feature integrated Bluetooth speakers, built in wireless charging pads for your devices, and even adjustable reading lights. Enjoy your favorite music, charge your phone, and have a well lit reading experience all in one place. Now let's talk about the multifunctional bathtub tray. These versatile trays offer a range of features such as a built-in tablet or phone stand, a slot for holding a wine glass or cup, and adjustable book or magazine holders. They are perfect for those who like to do multiple activities while enjoying a soak. For the minimalist lovers out there, our fifth idea is the sleek and modern acrylic bathtub tray. These trays are transparent, creating a seamless look that blends with any bathroom decor. They offer a simple, clean surface for holding your essentials while keeping the focus on the beauty of your bathtub. Moving right along, we have the bathtub tray with a built in wine or champagne cooler. Elevate your relaxation time by keeping your favorite bottle chilled and within arm's reach. These trays often have a designated space or holder for keeping your drink cool and accessible. Our seventh idea is perfect for bookworms. The bathtub tray with a built-in book stand or e-reader holder. Enjoy a good book without worrying about it getting wet or falling into the water. These trays provide a secure and adjustable stand for your reading material. Now let's immerse ourselves in the lap of luxury with our eighth idea, the marble or stone bathtub tray. These trays exude elegance and sophistication, adding a touch of opulence to your bath. They are perfect for those who appreciate fine craftsmanship and high end aesthetics. Are you a fan of bath bombs and scented candles? Then our ninth idea, the aromatherapy bathtub tray, is just what you need. These trays often have a designated space for placing essential oils, scented candles, or even a small diffuser, allowing you to create a soothing and aromatic atmosphere. Lastly, we have the eco-friendly bathtub tray made from sustainable materials like reclaimed wood or recycled plastic. These